Hi madam, good evening. We are from DKM 1D. My name is Jaygun Ravi.
My name is Sugandhan Armugam.
My name is Puri Sharma, son of Vishwabharati. Guys, nowadays the smoking problem is gaining a lot of problems. So Sugan, what is the problems that causing from these smoking habits?
As we know, smoking is previous to our health. Smoking can cause cancer of the lungs, kidneys as well as death. Many damn smokers knows what the effect of the smoking, but they why they keep smoking. There are several reasons why teenagers continue smoking in spite of imminence to their health. The main reason is they smoke because their friends do, as it gives them a sense of belonging. Many adults immortals start smoking in their teenagers days. Friends are with you either you are in ups or down of your life, but we must know who the friend to, because friends can make our life better, but sometimes they become a bad influence to our lifestyle.
Three.
Thank you, Sugan. Thank you, Sugan.
Okay, Sugan, can I ask you one question?
Can
Okay, what are the effect of smoking?
the effect of smoking is carbon monoxide in tobacco smoke takes oxygen from our body, while many cancers causing chemicals go in our body. And our teeth and nails turns yellow and disgusting, and your breath will stink. After that, you cannot taste or smell things very well.
Thank you, Sugan.
Three.
Okay, Sugan, I have a question.
Okay.
What are the solution of this smoking?
That's good question. The solution, if you want to stop smoking, you can make a small changes to your lifestyle that may help you resist the temptation to light up your life.
Three.
Temptation to light up, and you can make a plan to quit smoking, such as make a promise or set a date and stick to it. Think ahead to times when it might be difficult, such as party and
Go.
others, and plan your action and escape routes in advance.
Go.
That's all.
Push, can I ask you one question?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, what are the health problems will occur when we smoke too much?
Okay, firstly, the main cause will happen in our lungs, because our lungs is the softest part in our body part. Because when we smoke too much of cigarettes, our lungs will be affected by the substance inside the cigarettes. So mainly the cigarettes are contained with tar, nicotine, tobacco, and some of the dangerous substance mixed into the cigarette. So when we breathe in the cigarettes, so our lungs will be affected very fastly.
The solution to reduce the cigarettes.
Okay, first of all, we need to go to a medical checkup to check our body condition, and we need to get a doctor's advice to control our cigarette habit.
Okay.
And go.
Okay, Push. If pregnancy ladies, if smoke means, what are the causes and effect?
Okay, this is the cruel thing of this topic, because when the pregnancy woman smokes, the damage will be for them and also the baby in their stomach. So first of all, the causes is the fetus will be die in the mother's stomach, and the fetus will be born as like Down syndrome, like they got some problem, health problem when they born, because of the mother is smoking, or the mother was breathing the smoking gases.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Push.
Okay, the solution for this is the pregnancy woman is advisable. So how to stop?
Go.
Is there any solution for that?
Yeah, so mainly the pregnancy women do not smoke when they are when they pregnant. That's it.
Go ahead. Can you explain the effect of smoking?
Yeah, can Sugan. Okay. Smoking can affect our integumentary system, skin, hair, and nail, digesting system, and respiratory system too. Smoking can cause cancer almost anywhere in our body. For example, kidney, liver, and lungs, and pancreas, and bladder. Smokers are more likely than not smoker to develop heart disease, stroke, and lung cancer. That's all. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, good.
Yes, Wish.
How many times smoking increases the risk?
Okay. Nice. Good question, Wish. Okay. First is estimate show smoking increase the risk. The second is for coronary heart disease by 2 to 4 times. The third one is for stroke by 2 to 4 times. Fifth is of a man developing lung cancer by 25 times. Sixth is smoking cause more death each year than the following causes combined is illegal drugs use, alcohol use, and motor vehicle injuries. That's all, Wish.
Okay, thank you, Ruben. The Health Ministry has organized a campaign for the smokers to avoid smoking. The campaign name is Stop Smoking. What is the campaign's main aim? Sugan?
The main cause of the campaign are there are no causes by doing campaign because the campaign is fully advantage to smokers.
Okay, what are the effects from this campaign to the smokers?
The effect is can live in peace without any diseases.
Okay, the solution for this campaign is the person who smoke wants to change their life into a wonderful, peaceful life. So they need to have a positive mindset to stop this smoking habit to have a wonderful lifestyle. That's it.
Thank you, madam. #say no to smoking.